What's the meaning of cold-bloodedly? Cold-bloodedly. Cold-bloodedly.
Cold-bloodedly. Cold-bloodedly. Cold-bloodedly means to act without emotion or consideration for others, often in a deliberate and calculating way. It is commonly used to describe someone who is willing to harm or manipulate others for their own benefit without feeling any remorse. This behavior is often seen as cruel and heartless. Those who act cold-bloodedly may use their intellect and rationality to achieve their goals, but they lack empathy and emotional intelligence. Ultimately, their actions can cause harm and suffering to those around them.